Hi, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you subscribe with my channel, like, share and comment. If you didn't subscribe with my channel, subscribe right now. Let's get started. Basic English grammar, géant idiomas. You can visit my website www.jeanfidiomas.com.br. Let's get started. Hi, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you subscribe with my channel, like, share and comment. If you didn't subscribe with my channel, subscribe right now. Let's get started. Using my, your, his, her, our, their, singular. She has an apple. She, plumoulier. Her apple is red. Her, plumoulier. Her apple is red. He has an apple. Ele tem uma maçã. Ele tem. Aqui é ela tem. Ok? Subject form. She. Possessive form. Her. He has an apple. Ele tem. Subject form. He. Possessive form. His. His apple. His apple is red. He has an apple. His apple is red. Ok? Singular. Plural. We have apples. Nós temos maçãs. Our apples are red. We have our. Okay, possessive form. We. Okay, possessive form. Okay, let's go. Subject form. We. Possessive form. Our. You have an apple. Your apple is red. Okay. Have an apple. Your apple is red. Subject form. We. You. Possessive form. Our. Your. We have an apple. Our apples. You have an apple. Your apple. Plural. Plural. They have apples. Their apples are red. They have apples. Eles têm ou elas têm maçãs. Their apples quer dizer as maçãs deles ou delas são vermelhas, são vermelhas. Their apples are red. They have apples. Their apples are red. Plural. Subject form. Subject form. They. Possessive form. Their. They. Their. Possessive adjectives. Nouns. Possessive adjectives. Nouns. Okay. Let's practice. My, your, her, his, our, their. Koji is wearing shoes. Koji is a boy. Okay. Koji is wearing. Koji está colocando sapatos. Koji is wearing ou está vestindo. To wear quer dizer se vestir. Ok? Koji is wearing shoes. Koji está vestindo sapatos. Ok? Shoes are black. Ok? Plural. Shoes are black. Shoes are black. Koji is a boy. My, your, their, her, his, our, their. Koji is a boy. His shoes are black. Koji is a boy. My, your, her, his, our, their. Elada and Gina are wearing jeans. Elada and Gina, duas mulheres, duas garotas, are wearing jeans. Blue. Their jeans are blue. Their jeans are blue. Por duas pessoas. Their jeans are blue. Your hair is our. She's wearing boots. Uma mulher, ela está vestindo. Ok? Her boots are old. Her boots are old. Your hair is our. Dick is wearing a hat. Dick is a boy. Dick is wearing a hat. La masculino. His hat is blue. His hat is blue. Your hair is our. Ben. Que c'est para as pessoas do singular. Ben has a coat. Okay, coat is brown. Ben is a boy. Is a boy. His coat is brown. Ben has a coat. His coat is brown. Okay, your hair is our. Steve and Tia. Duas pessoas. Steve and Tia have a car. Car is old. Okay, their car is old. São duas pessoas. Their car is old. Ok, Susan, que ela é a pessoa do singular, has a book. Book is very big. Is very big. Ok, Susan is a woman. Is a girl. Susan é uma garota. Então, book is very big. Garota. Her book is very big. Okay, we have a new house. Nós temos a new house. House is small. Nós temos. Our house is small. A nossa casa está pequena. Our house is small. If you liked my video, click on I like to support my channel. See you soon for a next video.